This one isn't very good. Love it. Not. Pretty cool fire. So after mulching everything, I'm burning. Yes. So it wouldn't fit in the mulcher. Burning up. Ladies on her way home. Love ya. Coda! What are you doing? If you can see that, my future wife, tent, getting everything ready. What's up, babe?
No, I'm looking for the water that I brought out of the truck this time.
I know where it went. It's over here. Right there. Yeah, I drank a little bit out of it.
Well, I'd say you drank a little bit.
Yeah.
You must have been.
Well, trust me, I needed to. It's a hot fire. There you go. Perfect.
Now, where am I going to cook from?
Are you gonna cook out here?
Yeah? You want to build a fire?
What? I did build a fire. What are you talking about?
Inside.
Alright, so got the Honda generator going. She's inside the tent. She's getting ready to cook. She moved everything over on this fire right here. Have hot coals. She always thinks of everything, man. A lot of work done today. It's beautiful. Yeah. What you doing? Alright.
Burn. I know that you set the pan there so we can just
Yeah.
enough.
Hamburger, milk, and beef pasta. Sponge. Yeah. Yeah, it smells really good.
It's equivalent to 1 pound.
A lot of fat, which I need. Is that one of those green jars?
Yep.
You bought a green jar?
Yep.
From where?
Came in a bunch of jars that I had bought.
In that barrel? From the crackheads? Yeah, pretty much like a stroganoff. Alright guys, we are getting ready for bed. This is night 5. Day 6. This is my view. No, it's not raining. That is fog. A heavy, heavy fog. Forms are done, pretty much. I'm messing around with a little bitty fun project I want to make, just something simple, doesn't have to last, but something to provide protection to the Pioneer when I'm not here. I need to cut some more wood, cut up that crappy tree, I need to finish it, haul them down here, go over there, finish cutting that one down, and another one that's dead that I didn't see. I may end up staking out some boundary points today. I'm not just sawing all day, so we'll see how today goes. Gonna be a dreary day. Then tonight we're supposed to get possible severe thunderstorms. It's gonna get warm, almost 70 freaking degrees. That's why we got all this fog. I mean, we're high in elevation, so the fog just keeps coming up and up and up and up in the morning. So we're gonna be looking at this for a while. Jeez, guys, come on. He just strolls. He loves to play space. How many times are you gonna go around there? Like forever? like he just trolls. She's trying. She's like, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Oh, she's almost got him. I've never seen it. It's crazy. It's nuts. Nuts. Go ahead and just, I've put a pulley up there and I'm gonna try to hoist this thing up and just slide it in there. Making a little temporary pioneer port here. It's better than the tarp situation I had there. Something a little more homey. If it rots, which it will, I'll just cut it and then make a form or something for it. Oh, let's see if this actually works or if it's gonna break. Just keep stretching. I have my snatch block, which I wish I had. I don't know where the heck it went, but I do have Harbor Freight bull crap, and of course it busted the crap out of it, flew off in a million pieces, bent it, everything else. This is actually a deer hoist, but I mean it significantly weighs more than a deer, but still. What I've done now is I just put on a D-ring up there. We'll see what happens round two, and then now the freaking whatever. It is what it is. There's always something breaking. Always something breaking. This rope will hold the ratchet. It'll swing back and bust my window. Damn it! Almost had her there. Son of a he fucking shiny shit. Well, I'm glad it didn't snap with me under it. That's all I gotta say. Son of a bitch. So I went ahead and I flagged up the trail right here, going all the way. It goes down through the ravine, up on the other side of the ravine, and way over to a point up there. This is the off-grid experience.
Off-grid, you can turn the camera.
We're showering, right?
Yeah.
Love
See
you.
people later. Love you.
All right, guys. This is the calm before the storm. And it's about ready to get pretty nasty. 1.5 inches of rain, possibly tonight. We got showered, and now we're getting ready to cook up some burgers real quick and head to the tent. All right, guys. Starting to pour. some rain. Got some hot dogs and veggie burgers. Yeah. See how that is. Cooked at the last minute in the rain. But thank God we had hot coals for the shower in the rain, right? You're such a butt.
But, well, you were gonna get it earlier, but you got busy. And then we waited for me and I got here and I was like, we ain't gonna have time. So I just boiled up the water we had.
Heavy rain. We just got past the winds. And a little bit of hail, so.
Good sweet.